I want to go through problems where they ask you that all they want to do, they give you a multiple choice option here of choosing a graph that would match a quadratic function. Well, you know, I happen to notice that all of the vertex points here on these options are different. So maybe it would be just easy enough to go ahead and calculate the vertex here and answer the question. I don't know if we'd need a whole lot more knowledge about the graph, so let's go ahead and take a look. So we know that finding the x-coordinate of the vertex, the x-coordinate is found from negative b over 2a. Well, in this particular case, if negative 8 is b, then negative b is 8. And I have an a value of 1 because there's no number in front of the x squared term. So I have over 2a. I mean over 2 times 1. And so I have 8 over 2, and 8 over 2 is simply an x-coordinate of 4. I don't even know if I need to necessarily calculate the corresponding y value. Let's just take a closer look here. It looks like, by the way, we're skipping in units of 2 on these graphs, and here's why I'm guessing. Because it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units got me to 14 here. And so I'm thinking that this must be an x-coordinate of 4 for this vertex. Well, that's certainly not an x-coordinate of 4. That's over to the left of the y-axis. This has an x-coordinate of 4 also, because that's 2 units over. So now I need to discern between these two answers, between A and C. So I think I do have to go ahead and find the corresponding y-coordinate, and we know how to do that. We just go ahead and plug this x-coordinate into the function. And so I would have this, f of 4, and that would be 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 16. And we could probably work this out here. It turns out 4 squared 16. 8 times 4 is 32. So 16 minus 32 plus the last number 16 gives me exactly 0. So I'm after the graph whose vertex is 4, 0. And it looks like the only option then would not be C, but it would be A. That looks like a 4, 0 vertex, and so we're good.